An iconic muscle car is set for a comeback in India. That's Contessa. Even though Contessa didn't have a V8 roaring under the bonnet, which is typically associated with muscle cars, it had the looks and stance of a muscle car. Due to this attribute, it soon earned the term, Desi Muscle Car. Back in those days, it was pitched as a luxury car in India, which was an instant hit. Contessa was manufactured by Indian company Hindustan Motors, based out of West Bengal. Hindustan Motors made Ambassador appeal to the masses. Contessa was a favorite among rich and elites. This soon made it a status symbol in India. Peugeot bought the rights for Ambassador in 2017 for rupees 80 crores. Ambassador has been approved for revival, under the joint venture of Hindustan Motors and PSA Group. The company recently revealed that design and powertrain development has reached an advanced stage. Now, the Hindustan Contessa name has been trademarked, which marks the glimpse of icon's rebirth. The same powertrain of upcoming Ambassador will make it on Contessa too. HM will also launch the EV version of the Contessa in future. Contessa was manufactured in India by Hindustan Motors during 1984 to 2002. Originally, it was based on Vauxhall cars. The final generation models of Contessa were offered with 2-liter Isuzu 4FC1 engine. The torquey nature of the diesel unit was quite popular that time. Ambassador is likely to launch by the year 2023 or 2024. Contessa launch to follow soon. Both Ambassador and Contessa will see design revisions, fitting modern trend, yet retaining the signature looks. The same design flow will reflect inside the cabin, with modern tech and features that are expected with cars from the price bracket. If HM gets everything spot on, there's nothing holding back nostalgic Indian customers and enthusiasts that are willing to pay the price of a modern classic car. Thanks for watching.